Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Mercedes G Wagon 2025. The 2025 Mercedes G Wagon is here, and it's everything luxury SUV enthusiasts have been waiting for. With its bold and iconic design, the G Wagon continues to stand as a symbol of power, style, and sophistication. For 2025, Mercedes has introduced new color options that make the G Wagon even more customizable to suit individual tastes. Whether you prefer a sleek matte black, a vibrant metallic blue, or a timeless silver, there's a shade to reflect your personality. These new colors are perfectly complemented by the SUV's rugged yet refined exterior design, featuring the signature boxy silhouette, prominent grille, and striking LED headlights. When it comes to specs and performance, the 2025 G Wagon does not disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful V8 engine that delivers exceptional performance both on and off the road. With enhanced suspension systems and improved off-road capabilities, this SUV is designed to handle tough terrains while ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. It's not just about raw power either, as the G Wagon is equipped with advanced driving assistance systems to make every journey safer and more enjoyable. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, while features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist provide added convenience. Step inside the G Wagon, and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin that combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials. The interior offers a perfect blend of comfort and innovation, featuring plush leather seats, ambient lighting, and wood or metal accents. The state-of-the-art infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX interface, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The digital cockpit includes a customizable instrument cluster and a large touchscreen display that makes controlling the vehicle's functions intuitive and effortless. One of the standout features of the 2025 G Wagon is its focus on sustainability and efficiency. Mercedes has incorporated advanced technology to reduce emissions without compromising performance. With hybrid options available, you can now enjoy the thrill of driving a G Wagon while contributing to a greener future. The vehicle also boasts an impressive fuel efficiency for its class, ensuring fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the road. The 2025 G Wagon also excels in terms of practicality. With ample cargo space and configurable seating arrangements, it's perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who values versatility. The rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, while the standard roof rack adds extra storage options. Despite its luxurious appeal, the G Wagon remains a capable workhorse that's ready for any challenge. In terms of safety, Mercedes has left no stone unturned. The 2025 G Wagon is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, collision avoidance systems, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. The robust frame and high ground clearance not only enhance its off-road capabilities but also contribute to its overall safety profile, making it a reliable choice for all types of driving conditions. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes G Wagon represents the perfect balance of luxury, performance, and practicality. It's a vehicle that stands out in any setting, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote landscapes. With its new color options, upgraded features, and focus on sustainability, the G Wagon continues to set the standard for luxury SUVs. If you're as excited about the 2025 Mercedes G Wagon as we are, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on Gear Run for more first looks, reviews, and updates on the latest automotive trends. Don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content.